Action.
I'm Kyser in Lundin. Today I'll be going over the bench grinder. For safety, you'll need safety glasses, no long sleeves because muscle will get caught in the wheel, and don't wear gloves because they can get caught in the wheel too. Before you start, make sure the tool rest is as close as possible. You can spin it to make sure it doesn't hit. Make sure this is at least a 1/4 inch above it. You can use a 5/8 wrench to unbolt these bolts. Make sure always you spin the wheel to make sure there's no cracks or anything in it. Always have the face guard in front of you when you're using it. And yeah, I'll show you how to use it. Next, here's the stone dresser. This is the reshape it. Make sure there's no cracks in it. And make sure when you use it to go slow and don't go to the sides of the blades. And always stay by the machine until it shuts off. Make sure nobody else uses it. I think that's it.